Welcome to Moto Explorer. Today, we're diving into the Ducati Panigale V2, a superbike that perfectly blends Italian craftsmanship with breathtaking performance. The Panigale V2 is powered by a 955cc Superquadro engine, delivering 155 horsepower and 104 Nm of torque. It's sharp, responsive, and built for riders who crave adrenaline, whether on the track or the streets. But it's not just about power. With features like a 4.3-inch TFT display, Ducati Quick Shift, and advanced rider aids like traction control and cornering apps, the V2 is as smart as it is thrilling. What sets it apart is its balance. It offers all the excitement of a superbike while remaining manageable and rider-friendly. The single-sided swing arm, premium suspension, and aerodynamic design ensure it handles like a dream. And let's not forget that iconic Ducati exhaust note. It's pure music to any motorcycle enthusiast's ears. Whether you're pushing it on the track or cruising on scenic roads, the Panigale V2 delivers unmatched precision, comfort, and style. So, what do you think of this Italian masterpiece? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more incredible motorcycle content. This is Moto Explorer. Ride safe and see you next time.